Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make a very beautiful birthday gift. First, let's brainstorm some fantastic ideas. Think about what the person truly loves, like their hobbies or favorite colors. This helps narrow down options significantly. Also, set a realistic budget, maybe between $20 and $50, to guide your choices. Deciding early if you'll craft something or purchase it will also streamline your process. Now, let's make that gift truly special by adding a personal touch. A heartfelt, handwritten note can elevate any present. Consider incorporating their initials or a significant date into the gift itself. Perhaps select items that remind you both of a cherished memory. Even choosing their favorite scent for a candle or a specific flavor for a treat shows you put thought into it. Presentation is key to making a gift feel extra special. Instead of standard paper, try using unique fabric wraps or patterned paper. Elevate the look with beautiful ribbons, a handmade bow, or even some fresh greenery. A small, decorative tag adds a charming detail. For an eco-friendly option, consider a reusable gift box or a lovely basket that can be repurposed. You're almost there. For the final touch, ensure everything is perfectly in place. Double-check that your gift is securely wrapped and all components are included. Take a moment to write a truly heartfelt message in the card, expressing your well wishes. Remember, the way you present the gift, with a warm smile and genuine enthusiasm, makes it even more memorable and beautiful.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.